Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Watch if it's not showing. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, for example, this one right here, the watch or the reel section is not showing for you. So what you'll do to fix that is now you can go ahead over to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, scroll down and find Tab Bar. Okay, so tap on Tab Bar. Now go ahead and tap on Customize the Tab Bar or Navigation Bar. Now you'll be able to see pinned and available tabs. So just make sure that feeds or the watch or even reel section is available for you. But by default, the reel section is always available. But if it's set to hidden, all you got to do is just click on the drop down and to pin it. All right, so pin it or hit on auto, it doesn't matter. And when you go ahead and go back, the Reels tab or Watch tab should now be available. Now, if that still won't work, maybe it's an app glitch, go ahead over to your search bar and just type down video. All right, and then you'll be able to see Reels or the Watch section. Go ahead and tap on it, and here you have it. Now, if that's the case for you, you'll have to wait for an update from Facebook. Okay, open up your Play Store or App Store and just check for updates right here. All right, and that is how you fix Facebook Watch not showing. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.